Hi, my name is Haley Ringer, and this is a walkthrough of my final project with the Flatiron School. So it's called Productivity Day Journal, and it's a way to increase your productivity by organizing your day and your tasks. So you can see I'm already logged in and I'm welcomed with a dashboard that says hello Haley and has the date. Below that is the events that I have upcoming or that just happened. So we had Show and Tech with Flatiron, and then I went and hung out with friends at Sloan's Park for some celebration, graduation, an interview, and some study time. Now below that, I have my daily goals or my to-do list for the day. So you can see I have a couple things already there, and I actually folded laundry today, so I'm going to delete that from my list, and I uploaded a video to YouTube, so I'm also going to delete that. But I just got a new puppy, so I need to work on training the puppy, so I'm going to add that to my list. I also need to wash dishes, and let's add one more. I want to read for an hour today. Now on the right hand side is my favorite part, and it's an overview of the habits that I'm tracking. So I'm currently tracking drinking 64 ounces of water a day and meditation. So this is just an overview that shows which ones I am tracking, but they have an individual page which we'll check out in a minute. Now at the very bottom of the page is my journal entries from today. I haven't made any, so let's go ahead and add one. Feeling great today. Super productive. I'm also going to make a note about did not meditate this morning. So as you can see, as I add entries, they're just showing down below. Now let's go check out all my journal entries. Now this page has all of my journal entries in chronological reverse order. So here's today's, and if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see my first journal entry, which was back in June, and I said today's my first day at the Flatiron program. So it's cool to look back. Maybe there's some notes on how I'm doing with my meditation or the habits I'm tracking, or just my thoughts for the day. Now let's head over to the calendar. So this is a monthly view calendar. There's also a week, day, and an agenda, but they all have the same events on them. So today's the 7th, and it looks like tomorrow I have a study group. And the monthly view is my favorite because it really just gives me an idea of where I'm at in the week, where I'm at in the month, and an overview of everything I have going on. Now let's head to my habit trackers. So I'm currently tracking 2 habits, like I mentioned. Drinking 64 ounces of water and meditation. Now if you look at this chart, my goal days is 5, and that is represented by teal, and the completed days or my current status would be 4. So I actually drank a lot of water today, so I'm going to hit completed, and now my goal days and my completed days are equal. So once tomorrow, if I drink 64 ounces and I come and I check completed, the coral color is going to just take over this chart as I surpass my goals. And then meditation, it looks like this is from a couple of days ago. I had set my goal to be 7 days in a row, and I had completed it. But I didn't meditate today, so I'm not going to change that. Now let's head back home. You can use that's just the expanded menu bar, but you can close it and then we can head home. Now this is just an overview of my final project with Flatiron. I created this using React in the front end with Material UI. The habit trackers, I used Chart.js. And then in the back end, I created my database with Postgres, and then I used Node with Express and Connects. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out my GitHub for more of my projects.